Okay, I'm very excited to open these Caraway pots.
No, I've been waiting for these to come in. They're so beautiful.
Okay, this tape just doesn't open, guys. It's just not gonna happen. Maybe this isn't as sexy as I thought it was gonna be of an opening. Just packaged so well here. There we go. Ooh.
I'm excited to see this color.
Yes. Oh, is that this is the lid?
It's gotta be the lid.
We got the lids. Look how pretty. Look at that color. Oh my gosh, they really are amazing. And they're magnetic.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, I didn't even realize that. That is brilliant.